In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Outlook email with a QR code signature. This could be a very useful addition to your professional emails, allowing recipients to easily scan your contact information or other pertinent details. Let's dive into this easy-to-follow guide. First, you'll need to open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. If you aren't already signed in, make sure you log in with your credentials. Once you're in, take a look at the top left corner of your screen and locate the File tab. Click on it. You'll notice a sidebar popping up on the left. From this menu, go ahead and select Options. This will open a window with a variety of choices on the left-hand side. Among these, you'll want to select Mail. Once you're in the Mail settings, look for the Signatures button and click it. This is where the magic happens, as this area allows you to customize the signatures you include in your emails. So go ahead and click New to create a brand new signature. This will prompt you to enter a name for your signature. It could be something straightforward like QR signature for easy identification later on. With your new signature created, it's time to incorporate the QR code. To do this, you'll need to browse your computer for the QR image file. If you haven't prepared this yet, make sure you generate a QR code that references the information you want to be accessible, such as your vCard, website, or LinkedIn profile. Once you've got your QR code image ready to go, simply upload it into the signature editor by clicking the image icon and navigating to where the file is saved on your computer. After uploading your QR code, you'll see it displayed in the signature preview. Here, you can adjust its size and position as needed, making sure it appears professional and is easy to scan. Next, you'll want to set this new QR signature as the default for your emails. For this, you'll notice options to set your new signature for both new messages and replies or forwards. Go ahead and select your QR signature from the drop-down menus provided for each option. With these settings in place, the final thing to do is test it out. Click OK to save all your changes and return to your Outlook main screen. Open up a new email message by clicking New Email. You should see your QR code signature automatically appear at the bottom of the email. If everything looks good, congratulations, you've successfully added a QR code signature to your Outlook emails. And that's it. This straightforward yet effective enhancement can make your emails more interactive and convenient for your recipients. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Stay connected and see you next time.